Hey guys, welcome back to the another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope you all are doing good. So with this note, keeping in mind that all of you are doing good, as you all know corona time is going on. So today I have brought you a very interesting video on like how to calculate drug dose in a pediatric patient. You might have a patient of 5 to 6 years of age in your clinic and you might be thinking that what doses is to be given to this child, like कि amox का कितना dose देना है. You might be confused at that time in the ml form कि सिरप में अब बच्चे को कितने चम्मच सिरप दें. So today I will tell you how you will calculate that how much ml is to be given to a particular child of particular age. So please watch this video till the end so that you can grab this important concept. And my name is Dr. Shabista JB and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So without wasting time, let's just begin the video. So basically, let us first learn what are the various classification, what are the various method which decides that what the drug is to be given to a children. So there it is, like you see over here, it's of 3 classification I have mentioned over here. First is according to the age of the child, that is in month. Then it is according to the age of child in years, and third is according to the weight of child in pounds. So basically there are 3 rules, that is the Freyd's rule, Young's rule and Clark rule. I have written over here FYC as a mnemonic because as you see, you can remember it from a KYC in a bank. From that you can remember FYC, Freyd, Young's rules and Clark rules. So basically what this formula say, you have to take the age of the child as already mentioned in months and you have to divide it by 50 into adult dose. So according to the Young's formula, it is age of child divided by age of child in years plus 12 into adult dose. And the last, that is according to weight, it is the weight of child divided by 150 in the adult dose. To learn this is very simple, as this and this is same, only the first word is the different, that is age of child, here it is weight of child. So this is FYC, that is KYC rule, also known as Freyd's rule, Young's rule, Clark rule. So these are the different method through which you can calculate how much amount of dose is to be given to a pediatric patient. So with this note, now I will solve one question in front of you which will tell you how to calculate and how much ml is to be given to a. So now what basically you have to do is that, likewise if you have a patient of age 1.5 year of age in your clinic and the dose which is to be prescribed is 40 mg per kg. So what basically the question says that there is a child age 1.5 years of age and the dose to be prescribed is 40 mg per kg. And as you know that it will be divided into the doses, that is BID twice a day, and the suspension which is available is 40 mg per 5 ml and the child weight is 22 pounds and what will be the dose in ml. So now what you have to do, the question says that there is a child of 1.5 years of age, the dose to be given is 40 mg per kg and suspension which is available is 40 mg per 5 ml. Now you have to, as you know that it is 40 mg per kg, now you have to divide the dose in the ml, because if you are giving a syrup or a suspension, that has to be given in the ml form. So what basically you have to do, it is a very simple trick. So it is a 4-step trick. The first step says that you have to first convert the weight of pound to the kgs and then you have to calculate the dose in milligram, and after that you have to divide the overall dose by the frequency, like twice a day or thrice a day, and after that we have to calculate the dose in 5 ml. तो 4 simple step, पहले pounds को weight को convert करना है kg में, then you have to calculate the dose in mg, then you have to divide the dose according to the frequency, then we have to calculate the dose in ml. So let us first solve this, like convert the weight of pounds to kg. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 22 kg है, तो we'll divide it by 2.2 and we'll have the weight in kg, that is 10 gram. Next is have to calculate the dose in milligram. So for that the formula is weight of the child and the dose that is prescribed. So here the weight of the child is 10 kg and the dose that is prescribed is 40 mg per kg. If you multiply both, you have 400 mg per day. Up now you have to divide the overall dose. So dose overall is 400 mg and we are prescribing BID, that is twice a day. So you have to divide 400 by 2 and here you will get 200 mg per dose. This is 200 mg per dose ki. Now we have to convert this in the ml. Last step, calculate the dose in the ml. For this the formula is desired dose upon the dose that is in hand divided multiplied by the vehicle. That will give you how much dose in ml has to be given. So here the desired dose is 200 and the amount on hand is 400 mg, that is available as a suspension, and the vehicle is in the milliliter form ki 5 ml mein we have 400 mg. So here the vehicle is 5. So if you divide this, so that makes up to 2.5 ml. So that means you have to give a dose of 2.5 ml to 1.5 year old kid. That means 2.5 ml you have to give it one time and then the other time also 2.5 ml. So this, from this method you can calculate how much ml is to be given of particular age to a child. So this is a very simple 4-step method. You can learn this method and you can calculate this very easily. So we have learned about all the 4 classification of how you will, that FYC3 classification we have learned about it. We have calculated over here and I have given you the example over here into ml. So this was all about drug dose calculation. If you have any problem, you can just put it down in the comment section, and yes, of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.